The frequency response on Unit 7 is showing a slight deviation at 12 kHz.
Noted. Is that within the acceptable variance?
The East Asia routes are showing maximum capacity. We need to divert traffic immediately.
Rerouting through the secondary hub now.
The primary indicators are showing green across the board. Good.
maintain current protocols, and continue monitoring the flow.
The European feed is showing an anomaly in Sector Gamma.
Rerouting processing power to diagnostics.
The vibration dampeners on Unit 4 are showing critical wear.
The alert just popped up. We need to schedule replacement immediately.
Look at the resonance profile here.
Okay. That matches the simulation perfectly. The cooling cycle stabilized the print.
Thermal throttling on rig 7 is fluctuating. Look at these spikes.
Rerouting the power load should stabilize it. The main monitor confirms the correlation.
Agreed. Let's push the new parameters now.
The structural integrity holds up even under extreme torsion, as shown by the rotating models.
The timeline updates confirm we are tracking ahead of schedule for Q3.
Is the Avrupa component integrated?
Yes, fully integrated and ready for launch. Incoming components are fluctuating. We need to reroute the Asia-Pacific shipments.
Rerouting through the European hub now to stabilize the network flow.
These real-time sales figures confirm the upward trend in the European market.
Agreed. We should allocate more resources to that sector immediately.
If we switch to the OLED variant, the cost projections shift significantly.
That's your nose. But look at the performance metrics here.
All systems clear.
Confirmed. Ready for release.
Route 47 is clear for immediate departure.
Confirmed. Rerouting traffic now.
Monitor weather patterns over the Pacific.
Shipments 4 Niner and 2 Bravo are green across the Atlantic corridor.
Confirmed. Monitoring for anomalies.
This spike confirms the behavioral shift, tagging it as a critical insight now.
That validates the adaptation. The compilation just finished. Check the logs on the staging server.
Devices are updating now. Looks stable.
Watch as this trend line confirms our long-term evaluation.
Based on this data, we anticipate significant growth in the maturity phase.
Implementing these take-back strategies is essential. It allows us to process the returned materials and reintegrate them into the next product lifecycle, closing the loop.
The visualization clearly shows the path forward. As these milestones light up, we confirm our trajectory for the next fiscal year.
The logs are updating quickly, but this confirms the risk assessment.
As the sun rises on a new day, the automated factory works tirelessly, maintaining a calm, precise rhythm.